Jerry Vaughn. Oh, thank you for your sheet. Tell us about the chassis, how it's built.
This is actually our third robot that we've made.
Okay.
Our first one kind of fell apart. Our second one we took apart because it wasn't working very well. So we kind of figured out we wanted some height on it and we wanted it to be easily accessed, the Mindstorm part, so we can take it off and charge it or change batteries. And then we wanted to be able to connect all the cords easily and stuff.
Great.
Yeah, talk about that back wheel design there.
That's a bumper, so if it bumps something, it just protects the wheel.
Okay.
We have no rubber on the back tire, so if it moves, so when it turns, the rubber doesn't get stuck or caught.
Sure. How did you come up with the design for the bumper?
I just put stuff together.
I didn't like it. We just saw a video on YouTube and we thought that's a pretty good idea.
I didn't like it when it was unmounted, so I made Peter change it.
Oh yeah.
I just put stuff together and then put it on here.
What's the big arm attachment you have up top?
We use this for bowling, put the ball in there,
Grabbing the chair and the dog.
and then to flip the
Flipping the
Flag?
So you said
Grabbing dog.
bowling, dog, chair. Did you say dog?
Yeah.
Okay, dog.
And if we want to flip the TV.
Okay.
away.
Yeah, great. What other attachments do you have?
this is for the quilts,
Okay.
Put the quilts in there.
and then for the
To push the dog, we have it bent up. That brown area.
Okay. Is your robot, do you feel, is pretty durable? I mean, do you have
Yeah.
any problems with it falling apart or pieces coming off?
The bumper falls off every once in a while, but that's
Is it
not,
easy to attach?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not a big problem.
Are your attachments easy to attach and remove? Do you have any other attachments other than these?
No.
nope.
Oh, great. So they're really simple to.
Yeah.
And you don't have, they're all in there for the whole run?
Yep.
I just have to move stuff around a bit.
That's good.
Do you guys want to show us
Okay.
mission?
Show you some stuff.
Do you want to do
Do we want to do the bone boat?
Yeah, that's like
Wait, the red quote.
Show us a mission that you want to show us programming for too.
Yeah.
Do the red quilts.
Just
we're not.
Oh,
Let's just do this. Or did you change this up?
yeah.
what one are we gonna do?
Red quilt.
Good.
Can you
And
put up
can
first
we
off?
do bowling and roller quilts? Or we can do
The blue quote first.
Just do red quilt.
Red.
It's
Flag
TV
quilt.
quilt.
Oh, it's flag quote, isn't it?
Yeah, flag quilt.
TV quilts. I'm not sure.
We don't.
Ready?
Very good.
Cool. That's great.
What if the bowling? We gotta put that. Let's do the blue quilts.
Oh, yeah. We usually do the blue quilts first, because if we do the red quilts, this will get in our way sometimes.
Gotcha.
Put the chair.
Oh,
Hopefully this one doesn't glitch out.
We fixed it.
you did? It's
Yeah.
great.
It worked last time.
Does your robot come? Oh.
Hey, that's okay.
Awesome, nice. Does it come back to base every time? Do you
Yeah.
guys have to
Just like
Except
bowling.
for the
For
bowling.
But it's
That's
our
our
last
last
one.
That's our last program.
Oh, so you end there? Sure.
Okay.
Dog push.
Oh, yeah, that's
Flip those up.
And so you guys have some programming over there?
Yeah.
Yep. I
We
might
have
take
to
a
open.
peek
You
at
wanna
that.
take a look?
No, that's brain dog. Don't push it.
Hopefully, they might get that.
Sometimes this one is for 30 minutes. Monster truck
perfect.
mode.
Monster truck mode. Oh,
Monster truck mode.
Kinda, except with the smashing things.
yeah.
Yeah. Most of the time
When it goes
With
monster
our
truck
first
mode, it
program,
usually
yeah.
knocks something down.
With our first programming, it used to like ram into everything and just kind of push everything around. So
How does your robot know how far to go or how to get to?
We
the
do
mission?
rotations.
We go by rotations.
Okay.
Yeah. We don't really use degrees.
It's our first year, so we wanted to keep it simple.
Sure.
So we just went with rotations.
they're pretty easy to say.
Nice. And so you just go until you figure out how many rotations are.
Yep.
It
It's,
takes?
We just mess around with it.
yeah, we just usually put in a number that we
Then
think
grab
would be
the
close,
stuff.
and then we test it and
I
go
think
back
we
and
keep
try
that up.
again.
Where do we put that
Yeah,
down?
move it up.
Okay.
When I grab the dog.
Yeah, our numbers back up.
But it works. We used glue. We used Gorilla Glue. And this one is just messing with the lineup.
Yeah.
We either get it or we don't.
Very good.
Yeah, that's good. How does your robot know where it's at on the board? Do you have to start it a specific way?
No, we just do rotations, so
Just-
we just make it come up.
Yeah.
Do you have to line it up in base to get it to go
Yeah. We use
We just go really
we use
slow.
the inch markers.
2.5.
For most of them, we line up on the 2.5 mark. Oh,
Is that for some of them? Is
This
it
is
the 5 on this one? or
Yep.
whatever, dog push?
This is our last one. We don't really do that one. We just mess around with this one.
we're still working on it a little
Yeah.
bit.
Yeah, that's.
We kind of ran out of time. We were trying to get it to bowl and then do the small TV over there too. We ran out of time, so
It's our test dummy.
we
It's
only
nice that the big wheels don't get stuck on things, right?
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, but
that's pretty good.
And then that stays there.
Okay.
That's all.
It depends sometimes how many pins we get.
how do you guys keep your programs simple and easy to understand?
We just.
Well,
we
we
just
do
line them up in most of the time in the same spot.
Okay.
we do rotations and then we go through it as a group sometimes too and explain it.
Okay.
Usually we have separate groups when we're doing
Yeah, we split it in half and we do presentation and robot and then we swap and tell each other what we've accomplished.
Yeah.
What if someone who'd never seen it before looked at it without your guys' help? Would they be able to tell what's happening?
It depends
If
if
they
they're
look
good.
Sometimes
If
we
they're
do
good at math.
pseudo code. Sometimes we do pseudo code and we line stuff up and we write down where we line up stuff.
You guys do use some loops in there? Is that what you said?
How did you guys decide which missions?
We just thought of the ones that would have a lot of points but would be simple.
Yeah.
And so you just,
At the beginning, we did have that one.
We
then
did do the ramp, but with,
We had a tear.
that was with our second robot design and it was really,
flimsy.
yeah,
Shaky.
it,
Because
Really?
we would flip this, and we'd go, and sometimes it would hit that and then screw it up.
Yeah.
Well, it was,
We
You
knew
need to
if we
line
did
it up
that
like
or we didn't hit
exact.
that, it was gonna.
weren't we using degrees too at that time?
No.
we're using rotations. That's when we didn't have a back wheel and we just had skids.
Ooh, yeah.
are there any missions you guys just said, no, that's too much trouble?
Well, we tried doing medicine bottles one time, but we, the programming that we used, the color sensor wasn't invented yet.
Okay.
So the programming, it would always be, and we tried programming with it, it would always see the black and would glitch out. And we tried using the light sensor, but it would always see a black too.
Okay.
But one time when we actually had a glitch, so it would grab the green coat, but we renamed the program so we could see it easier, but then the robot couldn't recognize it anymore, so we couldn't do it anymore.
Okay.
What about testing things? How did you test designs or programs?
We just see how it works.
It's basically the try and guess.
Yeah, try and
Guess
guess.
and check.
Trial
Yes.
and error.
Trial and error.
Okay.
What do you guys think is unique about your robot compared to other teams'?
Well, all of our attachments are connected and
Keep going.
we don't,
Structure.
yeah, it's sturdy and we don't necessarily have to waste as much time
Taking it off.
taking off attachments and attaching new ones.
Great. Can I get a picture of you guys' robot?
Sure. And we thought of an idea. We were kind of being smart Alex on the red quilts, and we put them together. It didn't say that they had to be on both sides. It just had to be touching the black. So we squished them together.
Yep, that's a great way to do that.
Great. Well, that's all the time we have. Thank you guys for coming in.
Yep.
Good luck today.